Hello everyone, this is Shahnaz, an educator, and welcome to my channel, An Educator's Desk, where I guide teachers, students, and parents. Today, I'm here with another question, and I'll definitely help you solve this. Are you unknowingly making mistakes in your child's education? क्या आप अनजाने में अपने बच्चे की एजुकेशन में कुछ गलतियां कर रहे हैं? So, as an educator, I see this problem every day, and today I'll help you avoid them. So, the mistake number one that usually a parent does unknowingly, too much pressure. Many parents put too much pressure on their children for marks, for better grades. बट बहुत ज़्यादा प्रेशर देना बच्चों पर गलत है. इट्स रॉन्ग. दिस क्रिएट्स स्ट्रेस एंड फियर इंस्टेड ऑफ लर्निंग. इससे लर्निंग के बजाय स्ट्रेस बढ़ जाता है बच्चों में. एंड रिमेंबर, अंडरस्टैंडिंग इज़ मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट देन मार्क्स. And even your relation build-up is very much important. If you put pressure on your children, they will stop listening to you. Mistake number 2, constant comparison. Comparing your child with others is very harmful. Sometimes unknowingly कभी कभार हम गलती में अपने बच्चों को दूसरों के साथ कंपेयर कर देते हैं. Every child is unique. Remember, not everyone becomes doctor and engineer. There are an artist, there are sportsmen, musicians, and we have plenty of different options open for children. Don't compare them so early. Give them an opportunity to learn. हर बच्चा अलग होता है. कंपैरिजन जो है उनकी कॉन्फिडेंस को लोअर कर देता है. इट लोअर्स देयर कॉन्फिडेंस एंड मोटिवेशन. मिस्टेक नंबर 3, ignoring communication. Parents often focus on studies and ignore the communication. They don't talk to children much. So सिर्फ पढ़ाई पर फोकस करने से नहीं होगा. You have to talk to your child. बातचीत करा करें उनसे. You talk small things with your children about what did they do in school, how was like if the teacher praised them, or if there were any few errors, few mistakes that they made and teacher guided them. You tell them that how important it is to take teachers guidance. इससे क्या होता है कि फोकस बहुत अच्छा होता है उनका. वो समझते हैं कि हाँ, जो हमारी टीचर समझा रही थी और जो हमारे घर पे हमारे पेरेंट्स समझा रहे हैं, दोनों एक ही चीज़ कह रहे हैं. तो अंडरस्टैंड देयर फीलिंग्स, नॉट जस्ट देयर रिपोर्ट कार्ड. एट द एंड what is more important is your child and not the report card. Mistake number 4, usage of mobile phones. I understand, dear parents, that today usage of mobile phone has become a serious problem. ज़्यादा मोबाइल बच्चों को देखने देना हैज़ बिकम अ सीरियस प्रॉब्लम. इट इफ़ेक्ट्स देयर कंसंट्रेशन. उनकी बिहेवियरल हैबिट्स बहुत ख़राब होती जा रही है बिकॉज ऑफ दिस यूजेज ऑफ मोबाइल फ़ोन. इट इज़ इफेक्टिंग देयर स्लीप. सो what you need to do is set their screen time, like half an hour in the afternoon, half an hour in the evening, and please keep a strict view on what they are watching, which is very important. Mistake number 5, not encouraging independence. Being independent right from an early age is very important. I'll give you an example. We usually put toothpaste on the toothbrush of our children, which is wrong. When they are in KG or class 1, we should at least give them a try. They can independently do it. So doing everything for your child reduces their confidence. हर काम उनको खुद करके नहीं देना है. Let them take small responsibilities. उन्हें छोटी जिम्मेदारियाँ दीजिए. This builds decision making and confidence. Now, avoid these simple mistakes that can make a big difference in your child's future. And if you found my guidance helpful, like, share and subscribe to An Educator's Desk. और ऐसे ही यूज़फुल वीडियोज़ के लिए आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें. थैंक यू.